Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front eRide air strut for Land Rover Range Rover L405 with continuous variable damping. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. This vehicle contains a closed air supply system. Replacement of components requires proper adherence to procedures set forth within OE servicing literature. Failure to comply with the OE prescribed procedures can result in component damage or failure. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Disconnect the electrical connection from the top of the strut by pressing in on the two tabs and pulling upwards. Loosen and remove the airline from the top of the strut and remove the airline fitting. To do so, spread the collet open and the remaining fitting will slide off of the air hose. Now loosen and remove the sensor wire and the brake line bracket. Next, loosen and remove the lower strut mounting bolt and remove the sensor wire bracket. Separate the sway bar end link from the lower strut clevis. Then locate and remove the upper control arm ball joint nut and separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly. Next, loosen and remove the top mounting nuts and loosen the strut clevis. Now pull the spindle assembly outward and remove the strut. Their removal is now complete. Do not remove the air fitting from the air strut. Doing so may cause damage and void warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the airline until fully seated. Install the strut into the vehicle and install the lower strut mounting bolt. Now reinstall the upper control arm to the spindle assembly and retighten the strut clevis. Reinstall the sensor wire bracket and reattach the end link to the lower strut clevis. Now reinstall the sensor wire and brake line bracket. Next, install the supplied top strut mounting bolts and remove the white plastic shipping pin from the airline fitting and discard it. Install the airline into the airline fitting. Do so by removing and disposing of the shipping pin. Then insert the airline into the fitting and press until it is firmly seated. With the airline inserted, pull the airline outward to lock and ensure a secure connection. Now reinstall the electrical connection, ensuring that the plug is oriented appropriately to the electrical terminals within the strut. Lastly, reinstall the wheel which completes the installation. Thank you for following our guide on installing the eRide front air strut for a Land Rover Range Rover L405. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.